HIMS stock analysis and price predictions for this is Tuesday. So is HIMS and HERS held stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Ultimately, just looking at HIMS and HERS, I mean, I'm the only person in the stock trading space doing 43,000 videos over 5 years and documenting everything. No one else has come even close, and no one else has come even close to showing you what's working and what's not, right? And I've been documenting everything. HIMS has been interesting because I had like this swing opportunity, which is a guaranteed break even if it hits like 30.53, but I'll much prefer if it hits 73, right? And then we're kind of in the middle, because you can see like I called it out right here, 31st of March 2025. I was still quite hyped, you know. I'm still in a pending opportunity. The only thing that I would care though is a double break, and how would that would look like is me waiting for a double break confirmation here. And if that doesn't quite happen, then of course I'm not going to be buying. So still not forcing no trades, waiting for rules, typical stuff. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.